We thank God He has made it possible for us to meet again. He made the day beautiful and let us enjoy the day. There is a quote that says, "Real cooking is more about following your heart than following the recipe." Do you agree with me? Let's go make our own Nkate Konto. So I have goat's meat and then the cow leg, which I'm going to bake. So I'm just laying some baking sheet inside a baking pan. Then I'm going to bake this meat for 15 minutes before we start today's recipe. Nise nyame atom munyina mo hoye. So de bia na ya bake fresh meat in a kakra. So this is a peanut that I'm going to use. Then I have carrot, tomatoes, ginger, and then pepper. The kids are going to eat some, so half. Then salt to taste, paprika, shrimp powder, and then my fish. Then I have 1.5 onion that I'm going to use today. And I'm going to blend that one. The meat is done. Let's start the process. So I just added a paprika, salt to taste, shrimp powder, then the blend to onion, ginger, garlic. Then I rinse the blender with some water. So I'm adding the blend carrot, onion, and then the tomatoes. Then stir. Now let this cook on low medium heat for 10 minutes before I add my contour. I did not get a fresh spinach, but I have the frozen one. Then I'm using kale. So I'm combining two vegetables here, so I'm not adding the fish. So I use spinach and then kale. So with the case, sometimes they don't want to eat some vegetables. So at this point, it's find it necessary to add more vegetables. This is beautiful. This is my own version of Ghana Nkate Konto. Our Nkate Konto soup is ready, and I'm serving it with some rice ball that I made. Thank you. God bless you all. Don't forget to share this recipe to your loved ones. Subscribe for more videos. Like, and don't forget to give me thumbs up if you like what I did today. Thank you all. Love you all till I come your way with another recipe.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I